Drawing has never been so easy and satisfying. Within 15 minutes you can be rolling off your ready-to-show drawings, perfect for gallery-sized walls or as personal scroll works. We'll show you how. Welcome to the instructional video for the use of the machine. This seemingly complicated drawing instrument, designed for 4 operators, is in actuality very easy to use. Once you've been introduced to the functions of the machine, you too will be able to make large-scale drawings, drawing scrolls and A5 edgy drawings, just like the pros. Let's start with an introduction to the basic layout of the machine. The front is referred to as scrolling drawing area A. 1 metre and 50 centimetres wide, it provides ample area for 4 users. Its continuous scroll feature allows you to choose just how large an image area you would like to create. The mark-making capabilities of the machine are supported by the central striking unit. We'll get into that in more detail a little later in the video. Now let's look at the features of the machine. The spiked duster, the caffeinated scribbler and the tapper-doodler are dependent units. Lump on a string, paper flapper, which includes drawing area B, and feathering pencil are also dependent units. The final component of drawing area A is revolving rod. Revolving rod, an additional feature operated by the mechanism that creates drawing area C, which we will demonstrate a little further in our instruction. It begins with 4 users, artists or performers, operating from behind the central striking unit. The central striking unit is a complex series of actions resulting from 4 simple to operate mechanisms. The horizontal rotary device operates the spiked duster. It includes a retrieval system for redeploying the spiked duster. Turning the horizontal rotary device in a forward motion will activate the kickstart mechanism. This in turn ejects spiked duster from its launch area. The trajectory is anywhere within 30 to 95 centimetres from the central striking unit. This results in a disbursement of pigment dust on contact. The kickstart will continue to operate while the horizontal rotary device is in operation. Now, the retrieval system can begin. Turning the gearing towards the user or performer initiates the marking from the spiked portion of the program. The slower the gear turn, the longer the resulting mark. It takes some practice, but by using the slide and grab instrument, the spiked duster is placed in its initial position, ready for the user to return to the horizontal rotary device. Second in line on the central striking unit is the ped leverage mechanism. The ped leverage mechanism operates the caffeinated scribbler and the tapper-doodler simultaneously. The mechanism can be used rhythmically, as shown here, for a meditative contemplative operation, or in a spontaneous reactionary movement for a more modern approach. Third on the central striking unit is the vertical rotary device. The vertical rotary device operates the 3 drawing components: lump on a string, paper flapper and the feathering pencil, the bleeding edge in mechanical contemporary drawing functions. The action for the vertical rotary device, just like the horizontal rotary device, is a forward circular motion from the 3rd user performer. All this action from one simple turning. Notice the additional A5 edgy drawing created with the paper flapping. Drawing area B can also be submitted as a painting unit, suitable for framing. Finally, the fourth operation from the central striking unit is the reverse rotary gearing, developed to produce lengthy scrolls of paper marked by the meandering line mechanism. Here is how it works. Spooling the paper is straightforward. Refer to diagrams 7 to 13 in the manual Setting Up the Machine, Spooling the Meandering Line Mechanism paper on page 2. Using a forward rotation from gear 1, as shown here by this operator, a resulting reverse gearing action begins the drawing scrolling. The process continues until the end of the roll is scrolled. Some caution: viewers may find this mark making to be hypnotic. Refer to R800 line listed in the manual for signs of addiction. Included in the reverse gearing action is the additional mark making associated to drawing area A. As the operator turns the reverse gearing action, revolving rod is activated, sending a disbursement of pigment powder onto drawing area A. The pigment powder is produced in a separate pigment grinder. Getting the right particulars is advisable. Tap out a small amount along the barrier, and revolving rod does the rest of the work. And there you have it, gallery quality drawings, all within a 10-minute performance.